Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 5 amazing hidden features of Windows 11. Knowing these 5 secret features will make your Windows experience much better and will save you a lot of time. So let's get started. And the first feature is voice typing. So for this, first of all, you have to open any text box. Now you have to press start button and H button on your keyboard simultaneously. And now all you have to do is speak and it will automatically write the words you say. So friends, in this way, you can save a lot of your time instead of writing it yourself. Number 2 is dynamic lock. So for this, click on start button and go to settings. And here search for accounts. Now scroll up little and click on sign in option. And here in the additional settings, you will see the option of dynamic lock. Now click here and tick mark this option. Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. Here, it will pair to the Bluetooth of your phone, and whenever you go away from there with your phone, your laptop will automatically get locked. So guys, you can use this feature to improve your battery backup. Now number 3. All of you must have opened your Windows File Explorer at some point of time. Sometimes you have to open the same file multiple times to manage your data and then you face a lot of troubles. So now to solve this problem, just like Chrome, tabs have been introduced in Windows File Explorer and now you can choose multiple tabs to access any file or folders. Now number 4. Earlier, you might know that to take a screenshot, simply you had to press print screen and the screenshot would be taken, but you are not able to customize it. So now to solve this problem, Windows have been introduced Snip tool so that you can customize screenshot as you wish. You just have to press Windows Shift S simultaneously and this is how you will be able to take a screenshot. And the last is customize start menu. Now the start button has come here. As you click on it, you get to see the power button on the right side bottom. If we talk about Windows 10, then the setting button used to seen above the start button. But in Windows 11, when you go to the start button, you will only get to see the power button on the right side which you use to shut down. But friends, now you can add whatever you want there. You can also add settings. There are many other app icons. You can add them as well. And now to do it is basically you have to go to settings, then personalization, then start, then folders. There you will get different option as to which icon you want to keep at the bottom of your start menu. You can check them all and you will find them around the power button. So this is how you can save your time. If this is helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more.